Hi everyone, my name is Ryan 8 Tahar, and I'm a 12-year-old boy from Morocco. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Nmap on Kali Linux to scan websites. It's important to know that this is just for educational purposes. Always scan only the websites you have permission to because scanning without permission is illegal. Alright, let's get started. First, what is Nmap? Nmap stands for Network Mapper. It's a tool used to discover hosts and services on a computer network by sending packets and analyzing the responses. Basically, it helps you understand what devices and services are running on a network. Okay, now let's dive into using Nmap on Kali Linux. Kali Linux is a popular operating system for security testing. If you haven't installed it yet, you'll need to do that first. I'll assume you already have Kali Linux set up and ready to go. To use Nmap, open your terminal. The terminal is like a command center where you can type commands to make things happen. Type in, followed by a space, and then the website or IP address you want to scan. For example, let's say we want to scan the website call, example.com. You would type. After you hit enter, Nmap will start scanning the website. It might take a few seconds to a couple of minutes depending on the website. Once the scan is complete, you'll see a detailed report. This report will show you information like open ports, services running, and other details about the website's network. Let me explain some of the common things you'll see in the report. Open ports are like doors that allow data to enter and leave the website's server. Each port has a number, and different services use different ports. For example, port 80 is commonly used for HTTP web traffic. You might also see the term service. Services are programs running on the server that listen for connections. For instance, a web server might be running an HTTP service on port 80. Nmap can do much more than just basic scanning. Here are a couple of advanced options. 1. To get more detailed information, you can use the flag. For example, this performs an aggressive scan and gives you more details about the operating system, services, and versions. 1. If you want to perform a quick scan, use the flag. For example, this speeds up the scan but might be less stealthy. Remember, using Nmap responsibly is very important. Only scan networks and websites you have permission to. Unauthorized scanning can get you into serious trouble. That's it for today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching and see you next time.